Headlight restoration kit. Does it really work? We're about to find out. Let's get it. YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Chris Rod here, and today what we're going to be doing is putting a headlight restoration kit to use on a 2016 Kia Forte. And if we get a closer look at the car, we can clearly see that this headlight, and as well the other side, which I'll show you in a bit, it has some wear and tear from the UV rays of the sunlight hitting the headlight, and as well just from being used for roughly about, I don't know, 7 years. And if we check out the other side, we can clearly see that, you know, it's just really bad. So we're going to see if this headlight restoration kit can, you know, bring some life back to both of these headlights. And the kit that we're going to be using today is the kit by Mothers, which is the NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit, and it costs around maybe 25 bucks on Amazon and or going to like AutoZone or Advanced Auto. So, you know, that's the pricing. Let's see what comes inside of it. And the stuff that the kit comes with is going to be this plastic polisher, obviously. We have our applicator for the polisher when it comes down to it. This is going to be for later on. We have our Velcro pad that's going to allow us to hold the applicator onto the pad, and as well as our sandpaper, which we have 800, 1500, and 3000 grit. And this is all that the kit comes with. And the two extra things that you're going to end up needing for this in particular is going to be a drill and or a driver, and as well your good old spray bottle with some water. But I'm going to be using soapy water, considering that it's soapy water and it's going to clean it and do what I need to do. So I'm a liar. There's one more thing you actually do need, and that is a good old microfabric towel or terry cloth. Wait, I can't. That's, yeah, it's stuck up there. So yeah, a microfiber towel is the last thing that you're going to need to complete this particular job. So the route that I'm taking this in particular is going to consist of 4 steps, and those steps are as simple as, I kind of forgot the steps. It's going to end up being, we're going to prep, sand, polish, and then buff. So the prep process that I got going on right now, we've got the hood up so I don't scratch the hood at all when it comes to sanding, and as well we got tape going around the whole headlight. That way I'm not scratching the fender, the bumper, and or any of the other pieces besides what I need. Before I tackle this headlight the way I'm about to do it, I just want to say one thing, and that one thing is I don't think that this headlight restoration kit is going to work. Not that I don't have faith in it, but I think there's another way that can work more better and or be more beneficial towards a headlight. So now that I mentioned that I don't think it'll work at all, let's see if the Mother's headlight kit can shut me up. And let's get to sanding. So the headlight kit did come with instructions, and I'll probably put it maybe somewhere like over here or here. But at that note, see, I didn't read all of it, but one thing that I did get is set to put liberal amounts of water. Liberal. Remember that. But basically my goal for this particular headlight is to get it as somewhat dull to white as much as I can. And I'm going to be doing that by sanding this down with the 800, 15, then the 3000, by still putting liberal amounts of water. Liberal. But also be sure that when you're doing this, to make sure that your drill, it's at a low to medium speed. You don't want nothing too high, because then you'll end up burning through the plastic. Let's get to it. $800. I'm gonna dab some even on the actual sandpaper, because why not? So here's what we got so far, and this is just with the 800 grit, and we can see a little bit of the yellow kind of falling out and maybe potentially coming out of this headlight. You know, this may actually work. So what I'm gonna do right now is just spray this down, wipe it, and then go ahead and go along with the 1000 grit, and then from the 1000 we'll go to the 3000 and so forth. So let's just keep going. Note to self, it's going to be extremely messy, so you might want to put something over your engine bay. That's good. No more yellow. Let's see how this goes. So now we're gonna hit it with the 3000 and see if this thing will come back to life a little bit. So after the 800, 15, and as well as 3000 grit paper that we used to sand this down, we got this nice haze that we're kind of looking for, all right? And we're just waiting for this to kind of dry up and do its thing. But this is the kind of haze that I'm looking for so that I can be able to put the polisher on, and then we should hopefully see this shine. So now this is all dried up, and we're ready to polish this headlight. And the way I'm gonna do that, we're gonna put our polishing applicator on. We're gonna open this up, and I can't get it open. That's fantastic. So we got this open up, and I'm just gonna put a simple line on the applicator and then kind of smear it onto the headlight, and then we'll be actually using the drill to apply the compound and or polish on. So after some polishing, now we're ready to buff this out, and this is pretty much it. So let's see the final result. So the final verdict when it comes to this little headlight restoration kit, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Now, there are some imperfections that are still on here, but it's not as bad as it was before. It does look a whole lot better, especially when you're at a different angle. Like if you go far back from it, this looks like a brand new headlight. But here's my only thing when it comes to this. When it comes to every single step that we took to get this headlight restoration done, I agree with almost all of it, except for the polishing. Now, you gotta look at it this way. You're creating roughly hundreds of thousands of potentially millions of micro scratches onto this headlight. So why would I waste my time to put a simple polish over it? The route that I'd rather go with would be to just put a whole clear coating on top of that headlight. And then after creating all those micro scratches, you could just put the clear coat right over and create a nice layer of paint right over the headlight, and it'll literally be brand new. I think the only downfall when it comes down to this is that the polisher, once you put it on, the polisher can always come off. So then you have to redo this whole process again and again. But when it comes to the headlight restoration kit from others, I gotta say, it's not bad, man. It's not bad at all. For 25 bucks, this is pretty much really good. And if anything, you could probably get the same materials for $25 to $30 at your local hardware store, Home Depot, or AutoZone. It doesn't even matter, bro. Do the same exact process, but instead of doing the polisher, get a clear coat, and I guarantee you have a better result. But with all that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable and or helpful in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, be sure to join the clip by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as with that notification bell. Until then, it's my boy Chris Rod, and I'll see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace.
Deja que ella te arrebate, pero no la maltrate. No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, dos cachas y sube para la nube. Deja que ella